let's look at some new word parts, some prefixes, some roots, some suffixes that are related to our special senses. For this section, you're going to want to make sure you open up a copy of your word list or you print a copy of your word list in front of you and see if you can find some of these word parts as we're going through them with you. First up is a new root term, presbyo. Presbyo. See if you can find what it means, even hit pause if you need to. All right, presbyo refers to old age. Okay, old age. Next up is the term irigo. So it's a root term, irigo. What does that refer to? See if you can find it on your word list. Okay, irigo refers to watering, so to water. Next up is the suffix algesia. Algesia, see if you can find what that means. Okay, algesia refers to pain, so it's the suffix for pain. Next up is the prefix con. Con, C-O-N. See if you can find on your word list what that means. Con means to come together, pull together. Here's another suffix for you. This one is entirely new, osmia. Osmia. Go ahead and look at your word list and see if you can find what the suffix osmia stands for. Okay, osmia refers to our sense of smell when you see that as a suffix. Next up, we have the root term thermo. Thermo, go ahead and see if you can find on your word list what that stands for. Thermo, being used as a root term, stands for either heat or temperature of some type. Last up for this section, we have the root term refracto. Refracto. See if you can find what that means on your word list. Okay, refracto refers to bending, to bend something.